While our gingerbread cookies are cooling, let's talk a little bit about decorating. Now we've got several different options. We can of course use piping in whatever color. I've got some white for demonstrating purposes, and I already have some royal icing that's been mixed up. So I'm going to take a little bit of this icing, not too much because we don't have that many cookies right now, and I'm going to color it green. If you're going to make royal icing, then you can make it either piping consistency or also spreading or pouring consistency. It just depends on how much water you add. Royal icing, of course, is just egg whites, sugar, and a little bit of water. One way to not have to worry about safety is to use egg white powder or use royal icing mix. Both of them are relatively inexpensive, and it's a great way for you to be able to make up a whole batch of it and not have to worry about the eggs going bad or anything. This will keep in your fridge for quite some time if you make a big batch of it. And it will also help keep your cookies fresher because the sugar will help preserve them. So if you ice them completely, then they'll stay a little bit longer. And it's just a very easy, workable frosting.